Here you go.
We're not from here. You're fucking, we're past the river. We're not masking. No, we are. Go to the pool, man.
Oh, woo! Oh,
Come north.
oh, yeah. If I'm in the water, might as well be filming it. Oh my God. Oh. Follow Corey. Where's he going? The guy in the front's full retard. Let's go. No, do it.
We might be fucked.
Why? Really? I'm gonna go. Oh God damn. Oh.
Yeah!
Woo! Go just run, dude.
Holy shit!
Oh.
We did it! Yes!
Yeah! Oh my God. Now what?
Oh,
Awesome.
man.
That was super fucked.
Oh my God, I'm so cold! Yes! Fucking rocks! How do we get up them?
I'm so cold. Go low. Go low.
Watch out, these branches will slap you in the fucking head.
Did I get you?
This is a bad idea. We're gonna have to go back in the water.
We do? I'm over it now. Let's do it.
Climb it, dude.
Oh, look how shallow it is right here.
Oh my God. Yo, you know what sounds amazing right now? McDonald's. You know what sounds amazing right now? Fuck, dude, I can't get up. Fine.
You can? Yeah, you can. Put your foot up. There you go. There you go.
All arms right now. All arms. We're supporting you. So if you fall, we'll fall in the river with you. Don't worry. All arms.
Watch this. Go! Oh shit! Here, Corey. This side's the front side's. Oh.
Here. Oh, I like that. Now you can watch yourself. My knees are rubbing together.
Ow, fuck, dude. Don't run into that bush. Look at those needles. Look at those are fucking needles. Let's zoom in on this shit, dude. This one, dude. Needles. Come on. Come on.
My pants so heavy.
Fuck
I'm fatigued.
I'm fatigued. Oh, we got it. Do you have it? Here, let him grab right here. Connor, grab right here.
Right here.
Bueno. Here, take your phone.
They're thorns! Ow, these are all thorns.
Go this way.
Go that way.
Oh, we're right back where we started.
Nice. Oh my God. So we do this, dude. What is Zach? That was a great idea, Zach, to cross that river and take pictures up there. Why do we always get in this predicament? Go. Connor,
Oh.
run! Fucking run! Fucking.
Hey, I'm gonna go film where we crossed the first time. This is where we crossed.
Get some.